Squeezing. I will explain to you why there aren't high tides in bathtubs, coffee cups, lakes, etc. It's actually very simple. To make it simpler, we'll just imagine the Earth covered completely in water and forget the sun and only focus on the moon. The reasons there aren't tides on the reasons there are tides on the Earth is because of the gravitational forces. So actually, the tidal forces works all over the universe. Some are just more noticeable, like our oceans, than others. Imagine the Earth orbiting the Sun and the Moon orbiting the Earth. The point where the Earth and the Moon are on the same line are the important line. We'll call it the Earth-Moon line. There are three important points on this line. All are on the Earth. There are the point closest to the Moon, point A, and at the center of the Earth, point B, and at a point furthest away from the Moon, point C. Because of the gravitational forces, the Earth will be pulled towards the Moon. So let's look at the Earth-Moon line. Point A will be pulled harder than point B and C, and point B will be pulled harder than point B will be pulled harder than point C. The difference between point B and point C will cause a gravitational force going away from the Moon, because of the other parts of the Earth will be attracted more to the point C. Therefore, there will be a backwards effect on the side away from the Moon, and that's what causes tides on the side facing away from the Moon. The side facing towards the Moon is the Moon's gravitational power that will pull the water and cause tides on the side facing towards the Moon. The important part when we focus on squeezing is the things going on the not Earth-Moon line. The water on the not Earth-Moon line will be pressed towards either point A or point C on the Earth-Moon line and create even bigger tides. That's the reason there aren't tides in lakes and smaller bodies of water, because there aren't enough traction. So theoretically every liquid has tides, but not big enough to notice.